So today I'm going to be installing a half wig that I received today from HerGivenHair, so I'm very excited. In the box is the hair, the book, a bag for the hair, and I'm assuming a comb too as well. So let's just get straight into it, shall we? This time I got a different texture. This is the 4C, the 4B4C texture, which is, I'm very excited because it mimics the texture of my actual hair. I've braided my hair. I'm not really that good at braiding hair. Yeah, I'm just gonna spray the hair first, just so I can brush it out and it's easier to brush out. And I'm gonna blend it with my hair. So yeah. So this is what the wig looks like inside. It comes with some clips around the cap, and this one comes with an adjustable strap like that, just to secure the hair on your head. So this is what my hair looks like, and this is what the back looks like. I know it's not professional, but don't come for me. If you're not talking, it's time to install the wig. Okay, over there, over there. Okay, after adjusting the strap, it's feeling extra secure. Okay, I'm already starting to feel myself with this hair. Now I'm just going to spray a bit more water here just to properly brush it out. This wig is so secure, my gosh. I feel like I can go on a roller coaster and it won't like fall off my head. Like fly off my head, I mean. Okay, so what I'm going to do here at the top, I'm just going to undo it a bit. Undo my hair, but just to give it that seamless blend. So this is the final look. Look at it. Cute. The seamless blend. Look at that. Like, I love this wig. Like, this one looks more like my natural hair because this one actually is the texture of my actual hair, which is 4C. I have 4C hair. I'm gonna link the details of this wig in the description box below, so you should definitely go and check HerGivenHair out, because do I even have to say much? Like, look at this. I'm gonna wear this wig almost every day like I do with the other one. So HerGivenHair, if you're watching, please send me more hair. But we've now come to the end of the video. Thank you to HerGivenHair for sending me this amazing wig, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So ciao.